Hello lovelies, if you don't have eyeshadow and you want to play with some colors, then you can simply use your liquid lipstick as eyeshadow and see how pretty and cool it looks on your eyelid. Hack number 2. If you're running out your mascara, then you can use your lip balm as your mascara. You simply apply it with the help of mascara spoolie on your eyelid. Hack number 3. If you don't have any scrubbing product and you want to scrub your face, then you can use a Jordan dupatta as your scrub. You simply apply it on your face, rub it on your face, on your T-zone, nose, and where you have blackheads, whiteheads, impurities, and see how smoothly it can remove all your dirt on your face. See? Fourth hack is DIY toner. First ingredient is rose water, which soothing the skin. Second is white vinegar, which rejuvenate your skin and reduce your blemishes. Third ingredient is honey, which smoothing out your skin and give you fresh and smooth skin. Mix it well. Apply it on your face. I am applying it and it gives me a fresh, natural glow instantly. I am happy with the result. You definitely try it out. Next hack is DIY liquid highlighter. It contains oil. I am using Johnson baby oil. You can use whatever you want. Second is eyeshadow. Shimmer eyeshadow, good for highlighting effect. Mix it well. Now it is ready to use. I am applying it on the high points of my face. It blends like a butter on my skin. See how beautiful illuminating effect it is giving on my face. I am loving it. I'm also applying it on my collarbones. See the shine of my neck. Oh my god. You must try these all hacks and comment me below how it works on you. अगर आज का वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल हो, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.